Hello. Hey, let's talk a little bit about the advantages of a pre-listing home inspection. And if we've already put your home on the market, it's not too late to do our own home inspection, just to be ahead of the curve, if you will. Um, some of the advantages, are that some of the sellers will opt to have a full-blown home inspection performed on their home before it hits the market or shortly thereafter. And this is actually a wise approach in getting the home sold. Why is that? Because we get to discover what repairs need to be made before the buyer's home inspector does so. There's no room for the buyer to ask for money back, thus lessening your return on investment. We want to maximize the return on your investment, and this is just one way to do this. Also allows us to make repairs so that the buyer's home inspection comes back nice and clean, and we can keep moving forward without having to scramble for repairs, etc. It's all about planning ahead. The small upfront cost could save you a lot of money on the back end in preventing the buyer from asking for a credit at closing, etc., etc. Hope you found this of value, something to give consideration to, and let me know if this is something you would like to do. Thank you.